you're considering a move to Lebanon, Tennessee, and you're looking for a new construction community with amenities, walkability, and lifestyle built in, then this video is for you. So today we're going to dive into three of the most well-known amenity-rich communities currently being developed here in Lebanon. And these places are master plan communities that are designed not just for housing, but for how you live. Now, with any large-scale construction development, you do need to keep in mind that these communities do take years to fully complete, so things are always subject to change. Builders may update a few things like layouts, pricing, and amenities based on market demand and also other external factors. So hey, I'm Cullum, a licensed real estate professional here in Lebanon, and I help buyers every single week explore new construction communities like we're going to show in this video. My goal is not to sell you on any one community, is to give you clear, accurate information about what's being offered right now, so that way you can make better decisions and be more confident as you move forward. If you'd like some one-on-one help, then we'd love for you to book a free, no obligation strategy session. You can click the calendar link in the description or reach out, call or text us directly at 615-882-4178 and we'll get that scheduled. All right, with that, let's get started on this video. So first things first, what to expect from homes in these communities. All three of these communities do feature a mix of homes that share a few key characteristics. The homes are going to range anywhere from around 1,400 square feet onwards up to 3,600 plus square feet. You're going to have a variety of 2 to 5 bedroom homes, usually with 2 to 5 bathrooms as well. All do offer modern floor plans and varying floor plans to choose from with layouts that fit today's lifestyle. As we go through this video, you're going to hear a few different types of homes. So we're going to quickly cover those definitions just so you're clear on what they are. So single family homes, that's a typical detached home, usually with a yard and a garage. Then you've got a townhome. This is a 2-story home that is attached. It usually shares at least one wall, sometimes two. Then you have a villa. This is basically a duplex, so only shared one wall. Typically they are 1 story, very much are geared to 1 story. Sometimes it will have a 2nd story. Maybe they'll have like a bonus room or a loft upstairs. And then you have a cottage, which is similar to a villa, usually 1 story, pretty much 1 story, otherwise it's considered a townhome. But instead of having only 2 units, you're gonna have 4 units. So the end units will have 1 shared wall and the center units will have 2 shared walls. Now your townhomes, villas, and cottages, they're geared towards those buyers that want less upkeep. So they'll usually have the landscaping and exterior maintenance covered through the HOA. Now your townhomes, villas, and cottages are usually geared towards those that want a lower maintenance kind of lifestyle. The landscaping and exterior will usually be covered by your HOA fees. Diving into the first community on the list, The Preserve at Belle Pointe. This one is built by Goodall Homes, and this is actually one of my personal favorites for many different reasons. But it's something about as you pull into the community entrance, just love the landscaping, the rock and fountain features, along with the trees that overhang the road. Just has a nice atmosphere that really gives some good vibes. So this is a large community. They're estimated to have around 1,000 homes or more once it's all said and done. You're also going to find the highest versatility in terms of home style offered here. So you've got single family homes, you've got townhomes, villas, and your courtyard cottages. As far as home sizes, you're going to be anywhere from 1,400 to 3,200 plus square feet, with ranging from 2 to 5 bedrooms and 2 to 5 bathrooms. Again, those sizes and stuff are based on depending on what home style you go with. As far as amenities, again, this community has topped the list. You've got a beautiful resort style pool with a separate splash pad for the kids to enjoy. It's got a high-end clubhouse with a fitness center inside, along with separate rooms that you can also use for different things. You've got a pavilion and a community grill out area as well. And then there's a playground. Now this playground is actually tied into what is considered Lebanon's newest park, but it adjoins and was built by Goodall. You've got a really nice park with playground and pavilion there as well, and then a walking trail and plenty of green space. And then there's also supposedly disc golf that is coming, along with a community garden and the community claims to have 100+ acres of natural green space. So that's that. As far as location, this one is located on the west side of Lebanon. You're just off Highway 70, which gives you nice, quick, easy access to Highway 109 and then to I-40. So you've got a pretty convenient commute. You're pretty central within Wilson County, and then again, a pretty good commute to, or pretty easy commute to Nashville or Gallatin or Murfreesboro, if that's important to you. So why consider this community? I believe it's one of Lebanon's most versatile and amenity-rich communities. It also offers a wide range of home types along with easy access to the urban and suburban conveniences. Community number 2 on the list, Waverly by Beazer Homes. So this community is a medium to larger size community with around 700 homes estimated. As far as home types, you've got your single family homes and villas. So no townhomes and no cottages that I'm aware of. In terms of home sizes, you're looking around 2,000 to 3,700 square feet with that 2 to 5 bedrooms and 2 to 4 bathroom offering. As far as amenities, you also have a beautiful resort style clubhouse on this one with a really nice fitness center inside, and as well as a couple other little community rooms. You've got a farm stand. Not exactly sure what happens there, but it's a farm stand as it's marketed. You have a little playground for the kids, and then you have walking trails in and around the community as well. This community is located on the west side of Lebanon as well, right off Highway 109. You have quick, easy access. Well, let's actually take that a step back. So it's actually a Mount Juliet address, but it is Lebanon city limits. And I guess for some, that want to chase the Mount Juliet school system, you get access to those. You also get super easy convenience to some of the newest shopping markets or grocery stores, should I say. So Publix is within like a minute or 2 minutes, and then there's also a larger super Walmart coming just down the street as well. And then you have pretty much as quick of access as you can get to the I-40. So again, really convenient in terms of commute times to Nashville, Gallatin, and Murfreesboro, if that's something that's important to you. So why consider this community? It's a well-rounded community. You've got the single family homes and the villas. You have the really nice amenities. And then along with those community spaces, if commute time is high on your list, then you get to save maybe 5 to 10 minutes in rush hour traffic in terms of commute time. You also get closer convenience to your grocery stores. And then if schools are a big thing on your list, you get those Mount Juliet schools that are highly rated by the third-party sources. Now, number 3 on the list, StoneBridge. So this, you can almost argue it's not a new development community, but I'm going to push the women, say it is. They are still developing the villas portion of it. There's a few homes left to be sold there, and there were some new construction homes that were finished up and sold last year. So this is a larger community coming in with around 800 homes. I don't believe that includes the villas on there, so it might be closer to around 1,000. But it does offer a versatility in terms of home type. You've got single family homes, you've got the villas, you've got the townhomes, and you also have the courtyard cottages. The home sizes are going to vary between 1,400 on up to just over 3,000 square feet. You're going to have the 2 to 5 bedrooms with the 2 to 3.5 bathrooms. As far as amenities, you have a really nice, spacious 8,000 plus square foot clubhouse. It's got your fitness center in there, a billiards room, and some additional community use spaces. You've got the pool with lap lanes and a separate splash pad for the kids as well. You've got a hot tub, which I don't know if the other communities actually have that. Then you've also got the playground, you've got a grilling area, you've got walking trails, and you also have a stocked pond, again, which is unique to this community. And they claim that it has 140 acres of natural space. In terms of location, this community is very similar to Waverly in terms of super convenient. You're a few minutes from Highway 109 and access to I-40. Also a few minutes away from some of the newest grocery stores like your Publix and the Super Walmart that will be coming, along with some of those retail stores and kind of your fast food eats that are just down the road. So I consider this community This one's kind of unique in terms of you've got more established homes to choose from as well. And then if you're looking for those newer homes, there are those in the community. They're not brand new unless you're going for a villa, but you can get them newer. And then you get your resort style living. You've got your social amenities like the pools and things like that. And then if a stocked pond is enjoyable, you've got that kind of differentiates itself. And this one's similar to the Preserve. When you enter the main entrance, it gives you that very nice, just different vibe and atmosphere, the feeling like you're going into a specific community. So just very nice trees overhanging the roads. You get to see the pond on the right. Got some great landscaping. So just feels like it separates you from everything else, but in a good way. Okay, let's do a quick recap of the communities that we covered and how each one of them stands out. So we've got the Preserve at Belle Pointe. This one offers the broadest type of new construction homes, and then it really sets itself apart with its full amenity package, especially with that attached park that has a ton of space. Then you've got the Waverly. This one sets itself apart in terms of offers some larger homes, less versatility in the type of home, slightly larger lots, which I think I forgot to mention, and then it really gets itself in terms of the commuter convenience and the schoolings if those are important to you. And then StoneBridge, that offers more of an established community feel. You still get the broad mix of home types and styles, and then you also get your full amenities package along with the convenience. Similarly to what Waverly offers. With all that said, if you're comparing communities or you're just getting started, or maybe you want a second opinion, then I would love to help. Keep in mind we offer that free, no obligation strategy session where we can help to break down your goals and then review what your best options are based on what matters to you most. My contact information is in the description along with that meeting link, or you can also reach out directly, call or text at 615-882-4178. If you are a local and you enjoyed this video or think we missed something that we should consider, then please do put your feedback in or reach out to us directly. We are here to provide the best and are not afraid of helpful feedback. So with that, thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.